Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through playing by the rules of some other's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes.